Happy Tuesday, fifth graders. It's Mr. Kramer here. Just gonna run down what we have for today. First want to go. This is the newsletter. If you click on the newsletter, you can see this stuff. But every day you go into Class Kick and do the daily check-in. Today, look for the assignment called Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. There's a quick question about kindergarten and who your kindergarten teacher was and what is one of your favorite memories of kindergarten. Then it's our weekly schedule. You can always click on this blue link here on the bottom where it says weekly schedule, and it'll take you to the next page. So fifth graders, when you click on that link, it'll take you to this spreadsheet that shows you our daily calendar. Today is Tuesday. We want you to do for reading City of Ember, Chapter 3. That is on Class Kick. City of Ember, Chapter 3. Listen to that. If you haven't listened to 1 and 2, make sure that you listen to those as well. Then math lesson. We're starting a new unit. We're on math lesson 1.2. We're actually going back to work on area and volume this unit. The IXL skills we want you to practice to show that you understand are under 4th grade today, BB8 and BB10. So do those so we know that you understand math lesson 1.2. You can click on the specials links in here for activities for music and PE. We will be hosting live math lessons if you want to attend and don't want to just listen to the video that we put out at 9:30 and 12:45 today. We will also have City of Ember discussions for Chapter 2 and Chapter 3 today at 10:20 and 2:20. And then we'll have a chat at 11. If you have any questions, show up with questions at 11 o'clock. And then we're going to try to play a game, 2 truths and 1 lie at 2 o'clock if you'd like us to join us for that. Those are all optional, but we'd love to see as many of you as possible. If you can't join us for the full rundown of those live times, again, you can always click the math lesson 1.2 video. The IXL skills are explained here on Monday and Tuesday on the newsletter, as well as the reading. So go into City of Ember Chapter 3 to find the link for the video. I believe it's on page 2 or 3 once you're into Class Kick. But make sure you're going on there and listening to the book. Have a great Tuesday. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye, guys. Miss you.